Assalamu alaikum students. This is your English teacher Ms. Vidar. Today we will study about tenses. Do you want to improve your English? To improve your English, you should know about the roots from which we get the fruits. So to get good fruits of English, learn the roots of English. So what is a tense? A tense is a form a verb takes to show the time it happened. It actually describes when any action happened with respect to time. The time the action took place could be past, present, or future. So the tenses are past, present, and future. Each of these types have 4 subtypes: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So all of these make 12 tenses. We can describe it from this picture also, that there is a grandfather, which is a tense, and there is his son and a daughter. So this is the past tense, then present, and then future. So the past has 4 children: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Present also have 4 children: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. And future also have 4 children: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Now, simple perfect tense, what is it? The definition: it refers to any action that occurs on a regular basis or any fact that stands true all the time. So, the structure of the sentence or the formula of the sentence is S plus V1 plus O. Means S means subject and O means object. The subject is the person who performs the action. Verb V stands for verb, and object to whom the action has been performed. Example: I play football regularly. So I is the subject, play is verb, and football regularly is the object. Next, example of any fact. So the fact is also comes in simple present tense, that is, sun rises in the east. This is a fact, it cannot be changed. Sun is the subject and rises is the verb and east is the object. So this is simple present tense.